And let's begin with images coming in from Maharashtra's Parbhani, where clashes have broken out after the vandalism, in fact, of a constitution statue. Stone pelting and arson has been reported on the streets of Maharashtra. The DM's office has also been vandalized by protesters. Now, the constitution that was in the hands of the Ambedkar statue was vandalized, and that's what's triggered this violence. Stone pelting and arson has been reported in Parbhani. In fact, across the entire area now in the district, you're seeing tight security that's been put in place. The suspected vandal behind this act has been held, but you've still got thousands of people out on the streets protesting over this insult to the constitution. They're calling it an insult to B.R. Ambedkar. Omkar Vable is joining us with more details on this. So, Omkar, shocking images coming in of the anger on the streets of Parbhani. What's the current situation there?
Exactly. Actually, it was a replica of the constitution which was vandalized by two unknown people, and after that, the mob turned aggressive in Parbhani, and now across the state there are different kind of protests are going on. Now there are different people, almost 80 to 100 people. They attacked collector office of Parbhani. Police have already imposed some extra forces in the Parbhani, and also section 144 has been imposed, so no one can gather together, and there is a prohibition on the gathering and meeting people at the same time. So the situation is under control, but mob turned very aggressive after the incident, and now they are raising different slogans. Even in Pune now, we can see VBA, Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi supporters, they are continuously allying the government, and they're saying the Fadnavis government is not taking responsibility of all this vandalism and everything. Look, people are on the road.
In just a bit, he was giving us a sense of what's the situation on ground currently in Pune. Also, you're seeing protests taking place with, in fact, several groups coming together there demanding action against the suspected vandal, who, remember, has been taken into custody. But that hasn't stopped people from going on this kind of a rampage. Let's go across once again to Omkar. Omkar, we lost you there briefly. Go ahead. You were getting us voices from the ground. Apologies, sir. We will reconnect with the Omkar in just a bit. We're having a bit of a problem with his connection. He's joining us from Pune, where also you see the spill-out effect of the protests that are happening in Parbhani. Outrage, essentially, over the vandalism of the Constitution book that was in Ambedkar's hand, in the statue of Ambedkar in this particular district. And it's led to, in fact, all these groups coming out of the streets, Dalit groups who are protesting, demanding action against the vandal. Even the district magistrate office has been vandalized as angry locals came together demanding action and expressing their anger over the vandalism incident. You can see also the kind of security deployment on ground. Police in riot gear trying to bring the situation under control. Multiple incidents of vandalism, of arson on the left of your screen. So those images of women protesters also leading an agitation and demanding action by officials. The situation clearly escalating on the ground. On the left of your screens are those images of the protesters storming into the district magistrate's office in Parbhani district. At this point, we know that the officials are on ground trying to bring the situation under control, and their constant reassurance is that, look, the vandal has been caught, has been taken into custody. Omkar Vable is back with us. He's joining us live from Pune, where protests are taking place. Omkar, back to you.
Exactly. Look, 144 have been imposed in the Parbhani, but we can see there are different kind of reaction coming across the state. Even now, people, Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi Karyakartas and supporters have gathered in the Pune. They are still protesting. And in the whole state, you can see there are different kind of protests going on after the vandalism of a replica of the Constitution. So basically, these people are demanding resignation of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and they are alleging respecting the constitution. On the one side, the whole road is
lost Omkar's connection and we will go across to our reporters on the ground to tell you what the current situation is. But clearly, you can see that tensions are on a high in this particular district after the vandalism of the Ambedkar statue there. On the left of your screens are those images of angry women protesters who stormed into the DM's office to demand answers of the district magistrate on what kind of action has been taken really over this incident of vandalism. Authorities confirming that one suspected vandal has been taken into custody, but clearly at this point it hasn't helped in cooling off tempers and bringing the situation under control. It looks like there will be more security deployment in the area and a direct reassurance from the government that could perhaps help in bringing the situation under control.